How to reduce cell size in Wix Studio 2025 step by step. Reducing cell size in Wix Studio might seem tricky, but in 2025 it's easier than most people think. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Log into Wix Studio and open your website project. Navigate to the page containing the grid or container you want to adjust. Most people get this wrong. They assume cell sizes adjust automatically, but manual tweaking is needed for precise layouts. Step 2. Select the container or grid element. Click on the cell you want to resize. You won't believe what happens next. You can now adjust width, height, and padding directly in the settings panel. Step 3. Use the drag handles to resize the cell visually. For exact measurements, input pixel or percentage values to ensure consistency across your layout. Step 4. Check the mobile and tablet views. Wix Studio allows you to set custom cell sizes for responsive designs, preventing elements from overlapping or looking distorted on smaller screens. Step 5. Save and preview your changes. Test the layout to make sure content fits properly and the design remains balanced. The surprising truth is that Wix Studio gives you full control over cell sizes and responsiveness, but many users overlook these options, leaving layouts less polished than they could be.